Hi, I'm Nakia. It's been about 7 months since I've uploaded a video to YouTube. During that time, I've been learning, I've been building, figuring out what type of life I want to create for myself. If you've been here for a while, thank you for sticking around and being patient with me as I continue to figure things out. And if you're new here, I'm really glad you're here. Somewhere along the way, I realized I didn't want this channel to be about me having all the answers. I wanted to be a place where I document exactly what it looks like to build a healthier life, to build a business, all while making mistakes and learning along the way. I don't know everything, and I don't want to pretend like I do. I've been in the medical field for over 30 years. I've spent years teaching myself, reading books, taking courses, certification classes. Some things I'm learning are self taught. I am teaching myself kettlebells. I'm also a student with NASM to be a personal trainer. Every day, I am finding something new to learn. I made a promise to myself. Every single day, I wanted to become 1% better than I was yesterday. Not perfect, just better. Some days that mean reading a chapter in a book when I don't feel like it. Some days that's getting in a workout when I don't feel like it. Some days it's studying. Some days it's filming a video. To me, progress isn't perfection. It's about showing up for yourself constantly, especially when you promise yourself or say you're going to do it. I made this promise to myself 3 years ago. One of the biggest reasons I keep this promise to myself is because of my children. I want them to see that learning never stops. I want them to know that in life, if you want to, it's also okay to change directions. It's okay to start something new. It's okay to build from scratch. And most importantly, I want them to know that anything they decide to do, as long as they're willing to put in the work and be consistent, it will manifest, it will happen, it can be done. I also want to say there is absolutely nothing wrong with working a 9 to 5. It taught me discipline, it taught me responsibility. I'm grateful for that chapter of my life. Over time, I did realize working a 9 to 5 was not the life I wanted to build for myself or continue to build for myself. I wanted more ownership of my time. I wanted my time to build and to learn and to take care of myself, take care of my own temple. I wanted freedom. The older I get, the more I realize time is something that you do not get back. I'd rather spend that time with my children, with my family and friends, with the people that love me and want to be around me. So that is what this channel is going to be about. A place where I document the process, the wins, the failures, the workout, the studying, the skincare, the herbs, the books, the lessons, the rebranding of my business, and everything in between. If you're someone that is in the process of becoming 1% better every day, I love for you to come along with me on this journey. This is the beginning of something special. Always remember, every day is a chance to get 1% better than you were yesterday. I'll see you in the next video.